Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Adobe Animate to MP3, MP4, MP4. So first thing, we will navigate to the file and then to the export and export video media. Like that, this window will appear. Verify that your width and height match your original stage resolution. So we have width and height pixels here. We can also change that to something like that, which is ordinary. And this one we can change to 80. So then here we have span entire or just a scene. So we will select entire movie. We have time also start when we want. Format, we can change this. Here you have bunch of options. So most of the time we will using H264. Here default we have preset also. We can select this one here. I will leave it like that, and then output where you want that to be exported. So let's say something like that. Save. And when we are happy with it, just click on export button. Wait a few moments. And just like that, you have successfully exported the video right over here. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can export Adobe Animate to MP4. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.